Today we're going to make bubblegum flavored cupcakes. In a medium bowl, add a half cup of flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, dash of salt, and whisk. In a large bowl, add a 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 large egg. Now whisk. Add 4 tablespoons of melted butter and 1 teaspoon of bubblegum extract. Whisk. Add your dry ingredients to the wet and a 1/4 cup of milk and a few drops of pink food coloring. And whisk. Fill your cupcake liners about 2/3 of the way full with your batter. Put it in the oven at 350 for about 15 minutes. When the cupcakes come out of the oven, let them cool completely. When your cupcakes cool down, now frost them. And now for the taste test. So good. Today we're making bubblegum flavored frosting to go on bubblegum cupcakes. To make the bubblegum frosting, 8 ounces of softened butter, beat until it's fluffy. Add half a teaspoon of bubblegum flavoring, mix. Add 2 cups of powdered sugar, 1 cup at a time. Mix. Now add a little bit of blue food coloring. So good. Today we're making homemade bubblegum ice cream. In a large bowl, add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Whisk this until it forms stiff peaks. And when it forms stiff peaks, you know it has when you can hold it over your head and nothing comes out. Next, add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, about 1/4 of a dram of bubblegum flavoring. I got this from Amazon. Pink food coloring, and fold. And when it's one nice, smooth, consistent color, carefully cut up some gumballs in half. Use a slowing motion at first. Take your cut in half bubblegum and add it to your mixture. And fold it in. Now fill a freezer-safe dish. Tap it down. Add some full-size bubblegum to the top. Cover with some plastic wrap. Put your lid on. Freeze 4 to 6 hours or overnight's better. When your ice cream's been in the freezer overnight, take it out. And now for the taste test with our tiny spoon. So good. You love bubblegum? You're going to love this. Today we're making a bubblegum milkshake. Start by decorating our glass. I'm using marshmallow cream. Spread it on the top of your glass. Now decorate with some colorful sprinkles. Now some mini gumballs. Half a cup of white chocolate in a microwavable dish. 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. Microwave. When it comes out of the microwave, stir until it thickens. When your ganache thickens, add some blue food coloring. Mix. In a blender, put about 4 scoops of ice cream. Add about 1 cup of whole milk. Half a teaspoon of bubblegum flavoring and pink food coloring. And blend. Drizzle our blue ganache around the top. A little bit on the inside as well. I might want to wait to put on our gumballs. Pour it in your glass. Add some whipped cream. Pink sprinkles. Bubblegum tape. Now it's time for a taste test. So good. Even try it with our tiny spoon.